Oh, hi everyone, so this is Donnie and today I'm going to do a simple brochure for you guys. First of all, I'd like to thank Nima for recommending this video. I really hope you find this video useful and feel free to share your comments below. Okay, so let's get started. So today's brochure will be on makeup, so I'm just going to choose a random makeup product, and then today's brochure will be just 2 pages for 1 page, if that makes sense. So let me show you one. So there's 2 pages here. Go ahead and get rid of the spacing. So this will be the outside of the brochure that I'm going to copy, and this will be the inside of the brochure. So let's do the outside first. So this will be the title page, this will be the back. Because this is a makeup brochure, pink kind of symbolizes makeup. That's what I think. So I'm going to search up just a pink, like radiance or like plain picture. I'm gonna put this here, and because I like this part of this pink, this image, I'm gonna crop it. Okay, so now that's done. So I'm gonna get the actual, so let's create like a logo first. So it's gonna be very random, so I'm just gonna use this. This is gonna be our random makeup name. Then it will be a eyeshadow. So I'm gonna make this white. I'm gonna actually change the title. It's not that fancy. Okay, I'm just gonna choose this font and make this Open Sans. I really like this Open Sans font. It's simple, but it's very like, it's not like Arial, that font style. It's like simple but elegant. So we use that. Okay. So it's our product will be Aroma eyeshadow. So let's first lock it. Let's see if we can find an image of eyeshadow. Oh, that's a nice image, animated image. So we can actually make this have a logo. Okay, I'm gonna go to pixabay.com and look for eyeshadow images. So the best thing about Pixabay is that it's majority of the images are commercial free. I think maybe it's probably everything, and the images are like high quality. So it's awesome. I always use it. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Insert this and crop just this part. So this will be the product. Okay, I'm gonna actually change the image. So we'll put actually, I don't really like this eyeshadow, but okay, so I'm going to put some text here just to explain the product. So it's going to be a very simple product. So it's going to be a very simple brochure. Not much of that information. I'm not sure if this makes sense. Let's pretend it's good enough. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to search up a eyeshadow palettes in Google. Make it transparent. Or sometimes Pixabay doesn't have the image you want, but I do not recommend you to get anything from Google because chances are it's copyright issues. However, I'm doing this just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so the inside is ready. I mean, obviously any brochure, it should be more information than this, but I'm just gonna but this is just a very simple one. Okay, so light pink seems to look really well, so I'm gonna actually change the color. Let's crop this. And then I'm gonna get some social media icons. So yeah, that's technically it. This is my simple brochure. I know it's not the best, but I hope you get the idea. I mean, there are I'm not 100% satisfied with it, but that's just with any design. There's always something to improve, and you won't be satisfied 100%. But I think this communicates the message pretty well. It's simple design, and yeah. I really hope you find this brochure tutorial sort of video useful, and see you in my next video. Bye everyone.